Yes. Okay, I want to take a quick look at our plugins. Up here, manage and install the plugins. And what we want to do is to look through the plugins here using the plugin manager to make sure that we've got approximately the right ones hooked up for what we'll be using. And if you can see here, there are what I've got in. I'm just going to leave this here for a minute so that you can go back and forth. Each of these you can click on and get an instruction of what it's for. This is an important unit here, as is the georeferencing. It's for GPS data. Now, if you look through, you notice that some can be turned on or off. Also, if you're missing some here, you can go up and go to the Get More plugins, and these are listed here to show you different additional ones. Quite a accumulation. Let's just say we were interested in one here. We could say install this plugin, and it will download the data and install it. So now you can see it's put this over here. It's cloud hosting for QGIS. Now, if we really didn't want that on all the time, we could come down here and turn that off. You can see it's gone from over here. Plugins are quite large in QGIS in terms of the flexibility. You can see the repository for plugins here. We're connected to this web address. We can check for updates when it starts. So that's kind of a handy thing. So we can keep the plugins updated. And experimental plugins are also kind of interesting. If you click on the experimental plugins and then go to Get More, you'll find a number of them, these that are in bold, for example, and they'll say this is a plugin that is experimental. Another experimental one, color ramps, So if we get into this and want to kind of play in a little bit further, you can bring these in. Here's the latitude, longitude base. So if we go back to settings and we turn this off and then go to Get More, you'll notice that those are gone. We'll be going back and forth, and if there are some things that we attempt to do and we don't have what's necessary, we may need to go to get ourselves a new plugin to get there.